Oh. Children, wake up! Gosh, Cleo. Colby, wake up! Guys, wake up! What? Oh, it's time to wake up. Let me go get an outfit. There. Okay. Wake up your sister. I will start on breakfast. Girl, wake up.
What? Colby.
Wake up and don't be in that bratty mood. Get out of my clothes.
I will.
Now.
Jeez. Why would be so rude?
Well, Mom's gonna cook breakfast. I'm gonna go text.
Yeah, bye. Peace.
Hey, I want you to hear a song that I found.
Fine.
Okay, let me just type it a little bit. Here it is.